pakinggan natin.
Iparinig na lang natin. Kayo na po ang mag-analyze. Pakinggan po natin. Banat.
Go ahead if you want to investigate. But I just want to put on record, mukhang misfire. Bakit? Yung sinasabi niyang infrastructure na walang bidding, first of all, the procurement law has many modes of procurement. So don't make it appear sa public na just because walang bidding, may anomalya na to. Okay. Secondly, bakit ko sinabing misfire? Hindi po sa I'm referring to director ng NBI Matibag. I had nothing to do with the infrastructure. The chairman of the committee. In fact, I had to resign from the DFA because I was running for congressman during that time. So dun sa sinasabi ni Director Matibag na may congressional insertion to fund it, it's definitely not me, because how could a non-member of the Senate or non-member of the House insert anything? Okay. Dun sa sinasabi niyang infrastructure, it was done by the BCDA. The chairman of the BCDA is one of the closest advisors of the president now. The president of the BCDA is one of the closest advisors and is a secretary now. And he said, medyo kaduda tong kumpanya na nanalo walang bidding. If I'm not mistaken, it's the same company who's making the City Hall of Pasig. So, I mean, if they want to investigate, go ahead. But by mentioning the organizing committee of the SEA Games, ako po chairman nun. At paninindigan ko po na napakaganda nung nangyari doon. At kung may anomalya, ako unang magagalit. So, go ahead. But my point, Mr. Chairman, honorable members of the court, sa prosecution, to be fair sa prosecution at marami akong kaibigan, I've never felt any intimidation from any of you. I mean, you've continued to be either friends or for those who are former friends but friends. I mean, I don't know if nagkamali lang ako, but on the first day, I nodded ng konti kay Senator De Lima. Gumanon din siya, hindi ko alam kung na-acknowledge because we were friends once upon a time and this is a court. We owe it to each other to be professional, di ba? So wag tayong pumayag na someone like Director Matibag would do that. My point, Mr. President, Mr. Presiding Officer, he could have not announced it and investigated. Imbestigahan mo, tingin mo may mali, imbestigahan mo. But it is unfair to me and unfair to the court that kung kailan siya patatawag siya sa Monday, intimidate mo ako, hindi kita tatanungin sa Monday dahil mag-a-announce ka na iimbestigahan mo. Tapos sasabihin mo may insertion, tapos sasabihin mo hindi liquidated po lahat yun. So, let me talk of unfairness. Hindi ba unfair? Kung ako, babalik ta rin ko, sasabihin ko, inimbestigahan ko na rin kahapon Ang sabi sa akin, mainit ang ulo ni Director Matibag kasi may contractor na daw yung binigay na lupa para sa NBI at gusto niya sarili niyang contractor. So, would that be fair to him? No. It would be a marites accusation. So, that's the same thing he announced yesterday. A marites accusation towards me that affects this court because I am now a senator judge.
Pop-up na message from a coach telling me na gustong pa-imbestigahan yung SEA Games. And di ko talaga pinansin. And now Alan brings it up and I am bothered. There is no jurisdiction in the world that allows a judge to be pressured and intimidated. And I ask each one of you, my dear colleagues, payag ba tayo sa ganito? Ganito na ba tayo dito ngayon? Don't we want a better country for our children? Why would you allow a director who was just called to be a witness next week brag that he's going to investigate? And again, I don't know. So I respectfully request that it be played. Because I want to understand. If I don't have reason to be upset, then thank you, I can focus. I can go back to the business on hand. But right now, I am upset to hear this. And I will stand up for each one of you. I don't care what side you're on. I will stand up for you if somebody tries to intimidate you.
Pagkatapos pong ng isang araw na mabanggit ang patungkol sa
pagpunta ng ating mahal na NBI Director sa Bangkok, at ito po ay kinwestiyon ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, kahapon po ay biglang lumabas ang isang pahayag na iniimbestigahan daw po yung patungkol sa pangyayari noong Southeast Asian Games. Ito po ba ay eksakto lang o ito po ba ay merong dapat tayong pangambahan? Sapagkat alam niyo po, ako din po ay dapat ay pupunta ng Iran. Sapagkat isinagawa po ang pagbibigay-pugay sa namatay na kanilang leader, spiritual leader. Pero hindi po ako tumuloy dahil may impeachment po tayo. Tanong ko lamang po sa ating mga kasama, dapat po ba tayong mangamba? Dapat po ba kaming manggamba? At tayo po ay parang eksakto naman lahat ito? Hindi ba po tayo ay malayang korte? Tayo po ay may karapatan na binibigay ng konstitusyon na magsagawa po ng pagdinig na ito.
Ayun, Nelson. Oh, nag-react silang tatlo ukol sa bagay na yan. Pero may reaction din ng Malacanang eh.
Hindi, ito muna.
Yan.
Reaction muna ni NBI Director Melvin Matibag.
Sa pangyayari
Sa
ito.
kanila kasi siya yung concern dito, di
Kasi
ba?
sabi niya, parang siya na may impression. Ano sabi niya?
Ang sabi niya,
Oh.
wala naman ako sinasabing pangalan. Bakit nagre-react kayo?
Ba, yun na.
Sabi natin, di ba?
Oh. Ang unang,
Pumiyok.
Di ba yung kasabihan ganun? Ang unang pumiyok,
Guilty.
yun ang may, yung may
Talaga
sala.
naman, oh.
Oo.
Wala naman ako sinasabing pangalan eh.
Oh.
Bakit kayo nagre-react? Oh? Ako naman dyan, ang sabi ko dyan, masasabi ko, sa presinto na kayo magpaliwanag, di ba?
Ay, nako.
Sa presinto na kayo magpaliwanag.
Oho.
Kasi, gusto nga imbestigahan ng NBI. Ano magagawa natin, di ba?
Oho.
Pwede ba natin silang pigilan?
Wala,
Hindi pwede.
Meron silang moto proprio power eh.
At ang sabi ni Senador Alan Cayetano, teka, bakit mo kailangan i-announce?
Oho.
Bakit mo kailangan i-announce? Ibig ba sabihin para mawala kami sa focus
Oo nga.
at alalahanin namin? Hindi mo nga pinapangalanan. Ako naman yung chairman. Ako yung chairman
Nung time na yun eh,
Nung
oh.
time na ginawa yung
Oh.
project eh. Ano ibig mong sabihin? Gusto mo kaming guluhin dito sa aming trabaho sa impeachment?